So after that super try-hard intro, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Today we're actually going to be talking about the racing seat. I actually did a couple things not recording to the racing seat to actually make it fit a little better. We're going to be going over that in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we do start the video, so before we actually start the video, we're actually doing a giveaway on the channel. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave a link down below. Doing a 1,500 sub giveaway, so make sure to follow all the instructions in that video. You guys can enter. You guys got about a week and a half till I announce the winner. So September 14th, I'm announcing the winner. Alright, so after that quick little brief message, let's talk about the racing seat. Alright, so here's the seat. You guys have pretty much seen it. It's an energy racing seat. It's got the leather right here. You know, super bougie. You know what I'm talking about, because, you know, we ain't cheap. Here's a bracket. I got a planted bracket from Planted. And then we kind of like did this. Me and my friend Oscar, we made a little makeshift pretty much lifter right here, little spacers. I literally have to get new ones because that's sketchy as hell. That's literally like a shitty ass screw holding me up. Like, that's sketchy, so I gotta get like high quality ones. I already talked to somebody about making me some like machine ones, which are like super thick, that will go around here, like, you know, they'll cover more area and they'll be a lot more safer. After the spacers, we got a sparkle slider. So yeah, we got the slider, we put it in, and I still had like this much left to like actually like reach perfectly. Like it worked for me, but it just wasn't comfortable. If this was like a dedicated track car only for the track that I would never like drive on the street, that would have been perfect. But because it is a daily driver, I actually needed it to be just a little bit closer to actually feel comfortable, because I am going to be driving like every day, hence the name. But yeah, so we got the sliders, we put them in, and I was kind of far. So this is what we came up with, or I came up with, and I went to my friend's house, Andrew. Huge shout out to you, Andrew, and your dad for helping me out with this. We actually drilled a couple more holes in the slider and on the base to move the seat just like this much closer, and right now it pretty much fits perfectly. So this is what I mean about the holes. So originally the holes would be right here and right here. That would be where the slider goes on if you didn't have the spacers, but I had the spacers right here, and like I said, right there, which is like, you know, the normal place where it's supposed to be. But we needed to drill it up a little closer, so I think we went like 1.5 inches further up from that last hole back there, and 1.5 inches further back from the hole right here, to move it up just that little bit more to the front. And then also we drilled about also 1.5 inches into the slider. So the slider has a hole, you guys can kind of see it right here. That's a hole where like it originally like bolts onto. So what we did was drill another hole but further back, so I can move the seat a little further. And also in the back, the hole would have been like right here, the original one, but we moved it back so, you know, everything can shift a little forward. So that's kind of how we made it work. It works for now. Just like I said, I want to get something more safer because this is a little iffy. I'll probably end up one day welding something on here, so that way it's 100% safe. But for now, this will do. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by me not be able to reach. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see me in the car, but right now this is pretty regular right here. This is actually not, it's pretty close, but it's not like super close. This is where it was last time before we actually drilled the holes and did everything. Which I could reach the pedals and I could reach the pedals fine. I could reach the gas and the brake. Just the clutch, I really have to like extend my leg, and that's not safe, nor is it comfy. Because imagine me like driving like this like all day, that would suck. So yep, we drilled the holes, we made it closer. Now we can slide all the way up. Obviously I don't drive this close, but like right here, now I can reach the, you know, I can reach the clutch, brake, gas, everything. Everything works pretty much perfect right now. And yeah, that's pretty much what we did. Kind of like a quick little update on the seat and how I got it all figured out, because this took me a long time. But what I wanted to do in this video was actually move the seat a little bit further back, like kind of like tilt it back a little bit, because right now I'm kind of just driving straight up. So what I gotta do is literally pretty simple. Just take out that bolt, literally move it down here, or I can move this bolt up. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually, because these ones are easier to reach, so I'm gonna move that down on both sides and see how that is. And if it's, because don't forget, I still need my feet here to reach, you know, the pedals down like that. So it's, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try that method first. So I'm gonna lower it, you know, go down one, and then go down the other side one, then sit in the car, see how that is. And if anything, we'll probably move that up and then keep that back where it was, which is right here, and see that. So yeah, that's kind of pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. Then I'm also gonna give you guys a quick little like how it is to drive with a bucket seat every day. I think I've driven it for about like a week and a half, so I got a good amount of time with it, so I can kind of give you guys an honest opinion on how it is. So far, it's super cool. It's a super cool racing seat. Like, you know, you have a racing seat in your car, that's sick. But there's a couple reasons that you probably wouldn't want to get it, and I'll tell you all that later in the video. But right now, let's just do what I was telling you guys, tilt the seat a little back and see how it feels, and hopefully it fixes the problem. Alright, so this is what we gotta do. We gotta get that bolt out and remove this bolt right here with yeah, I got a pillow back there. I used to sit on it to make it work, but don't worry about that. So we gotta use this to remove it. We're gonna do that real quick. I think I'm gonna have to take out the bracket. off the floor so I can actually move the seat a little bit because really won't fit in here. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. We're gonna unbolt it from the bottom. It's literally just 4 bolts. 1 here, 2 in the front, and then we're good. Just got the 2 back bolts off. Pretty simple. Just unscrew them with the 14 mil, and then we're gonna go to the front and do the other 2 in the front. So now the front 2 are off. Now we go to removing these 2 bolts on the side and tilting the seat back. Alright, so now we got the seat all the way back. I put 1 bolt on the bottom so that way the seat doesn't move, and I'm gonna put one back in the front. I'm also gonna put 1 in the front so that way the seat doesn't move when I hop in. Wiggle it up a little bit. And put 1 in just in case. Just in case so the seat doesn't move. I'm gonna do it with 2 hands because I can't with 1. So now that we got the seat secure with the 2 bolts, I'm gonna hop in real quick, see how it is. Okay, so this feels way better, like way better. I'm still kind of low, like I can see fine. This is me pretty much right now. It's kind of how I see, like I can see. It's just like, for daily driving, I don't know if it's the best, and that's the lowest my steering wheel can go, so yeah. We'll see. This is like probably like one of my hardest things I've done so far to this car, modification wise, at least the seat, trying to figure it out, trying to make it perfect, which is obviously never gonna be perfect, but I can get it close enough to being perfect, so. Right now it's good. If anything, if the other way doesn't work, I'll just put it back this way. But I really want to try the other way, see if hopefully we can get that much higher. Okay, so let me show you guys what I did. So I lifted up the front 1 more and I put the rear one back where it used to be originally. So now the seat is still tilting back, it's just a little bit higher up. You probably think, oh, that's good, it's a little higher, but the only thing about that is this is higher too. So it's gonna be more of an angle for me to reach down here. So I might bump my knee with this right here. So we'll see how it is. I'm gonna hop in real quick and kind of show you guys how it fits. It's definitely not bad. I'm debating if I should go back or just keep it like this. So I'm gonna end up keeping it just like this. It's actually not that bad. So now let's just bolt in the 4 bolts and continue with the video. So I finally got the seat bolted in. I'm actually head out real quick before it starts raining even worse. Like, really my whole car's soaked. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys about the rest inside the car. This is the first video we've actually made inside the car. Oh my god, look at that. Carology, if you guys are watching this, hit me up. My boy is struggling. So I think this is actually the first video you guys see inside the car with the seat. So here it is. What do you guys think? The seat feels really good right now. I'm actually pretty comfy, way comfier than I was before. And I should be able to fit a helmet in here. But yeah, the seat's really nice. I can't wait to take it to the track so we can actually try it out. Especially now that I got it all fixed up. I gotta get a harness as well. I'm using just a normal seatbelt. It's kind of eating up the leather right here in the corner because every time you pull it around. But except for that, pretty much fits perfectly in the car. Do your research before you do buy your seat. And make sure you guys get a quality seat. Low key, I kind of regret buying an Energy seat. They're really nice seats. Like, they're pretty high quality. They're not super expensive either, but it's just like I could have probably saved up and gotten like a better quality one, like a Sparko, and it probably would have sit way better. And I could have adjusted it way more because they got more like more slots on the side. They're just way better. Be sure you guys do your research before you do buy your seat. And if you have a friend that has a seat, or if you guys have a shop next to you that sells seats or something, make sure to go check them out, sit in them, and make sure you pick out the right one, because this one I kind of just bought it just out of the blue. Like I told you guys when I bought the seat, I saw this offer on OfferUp for somebody selling a seat, and I went and bought it. So just like that, guys, we're gonna end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me going over the racing seat. If you guys want to get one, make sure to do your research. Like I said, make sure to send somebody else's seat to see how it feels before you go out and waste the money and get yours, and you go out and end up wasting your money and you don't like it. So make sure you do your research. But we're gonna end the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. Make sure to enter the giveaway. I'm gonna leave the video link down below. Make sure to go check it out and do all the steps you can actually be in the giveaway, so you can get yourself an awesome phone case from WNCSEO. Again, thank you guys for helping me out with this giveaway. But just like that, guys, we're gonna end the video. See you guys in the next one.